Hello everyone, Butterfly here, and welcome to, an update video, where I'm gonna be talking a bit about the rotation and whatnot. So yeah, with the recent end of a few shows, namely Data Life and Avatar, I'm replacing them in the rotation, obviously, and then there's a small change also happening outside the rotation and a new show I'm announcing. Yeah. So first things first, the current rotation is now gonna be Bravest Warriors and The Legend of Korra. So yeah. And as far as shows outside the rotation go, one is MLP, and the other one, the new one I'm starting with this anime season, is You Know. I'm not gonna say actually, you know what? I'm gonna say the entire title of the show. I think it was something like Konoyo no Hate, yeah, Konoyo no Hate de Koi wo Tao Shoujo Yuno, or just You Know, a girl who chants love at the bound of this world. So yeah, that's the new show I'm currently starting. Where are my notes? There. Yeah, that's the show I'm gonna be starting now. Also, you'll be able to see the entire rotation, written out at the end of this video, or also in the down below in the description. So anyway, first things first, why did I decide to, watch of all shows from this new season? Well, while I was looking, through this season's anime to see what catches my attention, well, there were a total of four shows that I got interested in, one of which was obviously The other three I wasn't too sure of, but when I was doing my research on those four shows, which the research was to see first if the show is a sequel or not, which isn't a sequel, so that's nice. And the second thing was, read some of the plot synopsis, which, yeah, it caught my attention definitely. But the big reason why the big two reasons that I decided to watch over the other three shows was because, first things first, I learned in some thread or whatever on my anime list. I saw someone say that apparently this is an adaptation of a very old VN, like 1996 is when the VN came out, so it's very old. But not only is it an adaptation of a very old VN, but it also inspired other visual novels like Steins Gate and Clannad. And I love both of those shows, especially Steins Gate. So seeing that apparently the visual novel that the original visual novel for apparently inspired Steins Gate. Yeah, seeing that was gave the show a very big push towards I want to watch it. And then I also saw that the ending of this show is apparently sung by Konomi Suzuki, who also sang, this game. In other words, New Game, New Life's opening. So, taking both of those points together, that's why I decided to, watch this show in the rotation. To, react to that show out of everything that's happening, in this anime season. But yeah, anyway, that was my reason for choosing So anyway, tomorrow from your point of view, so tomorrow from whenever this update video comes out, I'll be uploading the reaction to the first two episodes of season 4 of Bravest Warriors. So yeah, and obviously Bravest Warriors is from now on gonna be on redirects because yeah, as far as Bravest Warriors goes, seasons 1 and 2 were uploaded on the official Frederator YouTube channel or whatever it was called exactly, but seasons 3 and 4 are instead on the Verve app, so yeah, I'm not sure how okay Frederator are with reactions, so I'm just not gonna risk it and upload right onto redirects like I did with season 3 of Bravest Warriors. So yeah, that's why it's gonna be on redirects from now on. And another thing is, after I upload that redirect for Bravest Warriors for the first two episodes of season 4, from that point on, for both Bravest Warriors and Korra, I'm going to be uploading only one episode slash chapter per redirect. So in other words, book 1 chapter 3 is gonna be come out on its own for Korra, and chapter 4 and so on until the end. The same goes for Bravest Warriors, season 4 episode 3 is gonna be on its own, 4 is gonna be in its own redirect, and so on. The reason why I'm gonna be switching to one episode or chapter per redirect is so that I can, hopefully get these videos out faster. So instead of my bottleneck being in the part where I edit and upload the videos, because, since I'm going to have to edit less videos per redirect, that means that I'll be able to get them out faster. Then the actual bottleneck is gonna be just how many videos I record and whether I feel like actually editing the videos, instead of having to edit, let's say, two reactions for Korra and two separate reactions for Bravest Warriors. Instead, doing one per redirect is just gonna make it so that I can get these videos out faster without taking a hit to quality or anything like that. So yeah, and also after I upload tomorrow's Bravest Warriors redirect, I'm going to uh, thingy. I'm going to be uploading my reactions to all of my reactions to one after the other until I'm caught up to the show. And then I'm gonna go back to regularly just going through the rotation while also uploading MLP and reactions as those shows air, hopefully. But yeah, that does it for the rotation. Once again, at the end of this video, there's gonna be a few seconds of just black screen with the text of what the rotation is, and you can also find it in the description below. And yeah, but yeah, that does it for today's update video. And yeah, there's not gonna be another update video until both Bravest Warriors and Korra end, because I've planned it out in such a way that both shows end at the same time. So yeah, in other words, the next time there's a switch in the rotation is when I'm gonna be doing another one of these update videos. So yeah. Anyway, thank you all very much for watching, and until next time, bye.